Alright, I am at Uvita waterfalls, inside. Already past these steps, past this, I don't know how to call it, bridge. It's very, actually, city convenient. I didn't go there. Not sure where it leads. And I am at upper part of waterfall. There are two entrances. One is below, a little bit lower, and it costs 500 colonies more there, but they offer butterfly garden there. Here they don't offer this, but I was told that I can go there with the same ticket receipt which they gave me. And here is the upper waterfall, 3 meters depth, and it's beautiful. Sounds very nice, look very nice, incredible. So here are some notes. So I will go closer, but I need to shut off the camera because I need two hands to handle this.